everyone, hope you're all doing well. I wanted to do a video on a pulled pork burger using Pipro's proper meat sauce, which is this right here. If you go into the comment down below or into the description, you can order this up in a box or with all the rubs and everything basically, so it is gonna blow your mind away. What I wanted to show you here is a little bit of pulled pork, which I'll do another video on this. Moving on here, what we have is some beautiful burger. We got a beef short rib, we got brisket, we got chuck going through it. So it's nice flavor, fatty burger. First off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna season it with this charred rub. The charred rub, again, it's Pipro's smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, salt, pepper. It has everything. All you have to do with this is season it like this. And basically, that adds so much more flavor to the burger when it's grilling. Over here, I got the Weber little grill on top of the table. Nice and hot on this side, cool on this side. And we're just going to whack them straight onto the grill. Just leave it like that. Let them cook on one side, turn them, give them a base, give them some love. That's it. Turn them again, probe it, check it. We're gonna lock and load it with pulled pork, the proper meat sauce, bit of salad. If you don't want the salad, don't worry about it. Just eat the meat in between two buns, and that's it. Okay, so what you need to do is once it's nearly finished on one side, just a few minutes, you turn it. Look at this. The char, the smell. You got all that beautiful sweetness. There's a little bit of brown sugar in the char rub as well. And that is making it really nice and sweet on the outside as well. Delicious. Once you have it ready on this side, we're going to give them a little base. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the pulled pork. So I got a little bowl here. I'm going to take the pulled pork right off like this. Check this out right here. It's sticky, it's sweet. Using the proper meat sauce. Make sure you order it up. You get it like this. Pour a little bit on top. You don't want too much. You don't want the meat too saucy. I'm gonna leave that right there. Using 2 spoons. Look, zoom right in, look. You can see it. You can smell it. It just falls apart like this. Once you mix it up, you just add a little bit more sauce to it. You see all that beautiful steam rising there now? You want to trap that all inside. Drizzle a little bit more on top. Give it a little bit of a mix. And this is going to be ready for the burgers. Here the burgers are nearly done. Just give them a quick probe. Look at the juice and the fat coming out of this. So this is just beautiful short rib, chuck, and a bit of brisket. What I want to do next is baste it in a little bit of love. So what we have here is a little bit of butter, rosemary, a little bit of garlic, tiny bit of lemon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit more flavor into this. Just gonna toss a little bit of the rub inside. That'll just open up all the flavors. Get the burger like this. Check this out. Zoom right in there. Smell that. Show all the social media channels right there, look. Give it a little toss. It is a load of butter, but it's gonna come right off now. It's nice and juicy, look. Look at that. What we'll do next is put on simple, easy singles, nothing fancy. Just throw it on like that. That will melt really nicely. Get a nice, soft brioche bun right here. So, buttery, nice and sweet. Toast it off right here. Let the cheese melt. We got the pulled pork, we got the bun, the cheese, everything is all there. And with the bun, you just want to give it a little light toast, just like this. So the bun's nice little toast, look. Check that out right here. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the plate and we're gonna plate this up. And with the bun, I just want to put it in here, throw it here. You're going to put a little bit of the proper meat sauce on both sides, just like that. Throw a little bit of salad on the bottom. Put the first layer of burger. Load it up with some pulled pork. Check this one out. Second burger coming in. Stack it up like that. Pile it high with your pulled pork. And what you're going to do then is just drizzle a little bit more of the proper meat sauce on top. And finish off with your bun. Just like that. There we go, guys. That is the pulled pork burger. 2 burgers, 1 cheese. You got your pulled pork loaded up. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the link down below. You can order up the pip rolls, barbecue sauce, buffalo sauce, all the rubs and everything. Have a great week. Have fun. Get grilling. Summer is here, and lots of love. Talk to you soon.